actually just from this place called Milano Coffee, and my mom and I got peach smoothies, and I got a coffee seed muffin. Trying this place at the Stanley Market, and we're gonna go to, what's that place, Mom?
Denver Biscuit Company.
Denver Biscuit Company. So hopefully it lives up to our expectations of good biscuits. Okay, right now we're in like a bookstore type of thing. Pat the bunny. Let's see if it smells. It does not smell like the hotel did, but I'm gonna see what Isa thinks. Smell it. Do you think it smells like the hotel?
Yeah.
I didn't think it smelled as strong. Okay, this place is really cool. They have a bunch of shops, and then they have like fitness and stuff upstairs. So there's people kickboxing, doing like a Pilates workout, and there's also people getting and giving haircuts. So this place, I wish I lived near one of these places. It seems pretty cool. Well, that place was a hit. Good job, Mom. Good pick. What do you want to do?
A lot of stuff now.
Really?
I don't know.
I'll do it with you. We're going to the Red Rocks now to take some of her senior pictures. So she got this beautiful white dress, and hopefully we can find some good locations. There's also like a trail there that we might walk on a little bit and get some pictures in front of some cool rock formations, and there's a meadow. Currently scoped out the area for Isa's senior pictures up here at the Red Rocks. There is a concert going on, so it's pretty busy, but we found a trail to walk up, and there's plenty of great places for super cute pictures. It's a hike, but the photos are worth it. An hour before golden hour is like the prime time to take photos, and so we had to get out here around 6:30 to start taking photos, and it's now 7:15, so kind of the 45 minutes was like perfect to take photos, and the sun dipped behind the rocks over there, and then the lighting was perfect, and now it's kind of settling down there enough where we're probably done shooting now. We came to this place called Heavenly Creamery, and I got chai gelato, which I've never seen before.
And I got cookies and cream.
And how does it taste?
It's like real deal, good.
Good morning. Today we are going whitewater river rafting, and I'm super excited because there's supposed to be class 3 and 4 rapids, so a little more than what we've seen before. Unfortunately, the company that we're rafting with doesn't allow GoPros on the raft, so I won't have any footage of us rafting. Oh no! But we will have photos. Just got done rafting. It was super fun. Class 3 and 4 rapids, and no one fell out or anything. Now we're going to this place called The Cow, which has burgers and things to eat. Dad, why didn't you get anything from Starbucks?
It's too hot for me.
Well, you can get iced drinks.
I like the muffins.
Now we're just filming these little prairie dogs in Denver. They are just running around their little hills and like burrowing, so we're gonna see if we can get any videos of them. Can you hear them? Good morning. It's the first day that Isa has games for her softball tournament. How do you feel about day one?
Excited.
Mom and I are the errand runners. So we got our Starbucks and we got our ice. And one thing we learned is that Denver is super crowded and a lot of people had their flights canceled. So then they couldn't get to their rental cars. So we're glad we drove, right?
Yes, we're super glad we drove.
Tesla, I hope to see you in 15 years, maybe. The games started getting rained out, so we're going to see Indiana Jones tonight, which will be super fun. One of the last things we did in Denver was visit this butterfly pavilion. It had many different kinds of butterflies and beautiful tropical flowers. Inside the pavilion, it was humid to simulate the climate where the butterflies and flowers are from. After the butterfly pavilion, we saw a double rainbow as we played the last softball game. I'm gonna end the vlog here, but I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with my family and doing some fun adventures. If you made it this far in the video, comment the butterfly emoji, subscribe so that you don't miss any of my other videos. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.